In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add table view in Trello. The table view is a powerful way to see your cards in a clean spreadsheet-like layout, which makes sorting, scanning, and updating information much faster than clicking into each list. Let's walk through it together from start to finish. First, head over to Trello.com and sign into your account. Once you're in, navigate to your workspace home and open the boards section. This shows all the boards you have access to, so you can quickly jump to the one you want to work with. Pick the board where you want to use the table view and open it. With your board open, look toward the top of the page for the views area. Depending on your interface, you might see a button or drop-down labeled Views, or you may see the current view label with a small arrow next to it. Click that to open the list of available views. This is where Trello groups different ways of looking at your work, such as board, calendar, timeline, and the one we're after today. From the Views drop-down, select Table. Trello will switch from the standard list and card layout into a grid that displays your cards as rows. You'll see key details as columns, typically the card title, the list the card belongs to, members, labels, due dates, and more. This layout is great for comparing tasks side by side, spotting missing info, and making quick edits without opening each card. Once you're in table view, try a few helpful actions. Use the column headers to sort by due date or assignee so you can prioritize work. Open the filter options to narrow down cards by label, member, or status. If your workspace has custom fields, you can show or hide those columns to tailor the table to your process. You can also drag column edges to adjust widths, making important information easier to read at a glance. And if you ever need to return to the classic board layout, use the same views control at the top to switch back. If you don't see the table option in the drop-down, it may be due to your workspace plan or permissions. In that case, check with your workspace admin or review your plan features to confirm access. Also note that the exact placement of the views control can vary slightly based on interface updates, but it will always be near the top of the board. That's all there is to it. You've added the table view in Trello and can now manage your cards in a clear, structured grid. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.